how to buy Butthole, the Butthole coin token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now first of all, make sure to check their X account. As you can see, they have a big community or a little community there. Just go and keep up following their updates about this token. Now to be able to buy this token, it's available on the screen. As you can see, if you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now this token, it's increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. Now this token is increased in the last 5 minutes, it's increased by 30%. As you can see, now the liquidity is 99% locked. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Now this token is under Solana initial, as you can see. Now click here to copy the token address to be able to buy it. Now click or open your Phantom wallet. Just click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. Now click on your token and here enter how much you want to buy. This is how much you will receive of that token. Now from here, just select your provider, for example, Jupiter. Now read all of this information from here. Now after you click on swap, you will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. If you find any issue or face any issues on your buy process, just go back from this page and switch the sleep patch, and you will be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy the Butthole token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.